Welcome to today's episode where we're diving deep into the heartbeat of the real estate market, the Market Action Index, or MAI. Whether you're thinking of buying a dream home or selling one, understanding the MAI could be your game changer. The MAI isn't just another acronym to get lost in the real estate jargon soup. It's a powerful indicator that tells us who's calling the shots in the market, the buyers or the sellers. So buckle up as we explore this pivotal metric, making you a more informed player in the real estate game. Picture the MAI as a scale, balancing supply on one side and demand on the other. When the scale tips above 30, it's a sign. A seller's market is upon us. This means there are more buyers out there than there are homes available. Sellers, you're in the driver's seat. But what if you're looking to buy? A high MA might sound daunting, suggesting a competitive market. Fear not. Armed with knowledge and the right strategy, you can navigate these waters successfully. It's all about timing, preparation, and understanding market nuances. Now, let's flip the script. When the MAI dips below 30, buyers, it's your time to shine. The market has more homes than buyers, giving you the leverage to negotiate better deals. Sellers, in a buyer's market, it's crucial to make your home stand out. Price it right, stage it well, and patience becomes your best ally. Remember, every market has its silver lining. Whether you're buying or selling, the MAI offers a snapshot of the market's current state. But remember, it's a broad indicator. Local factors like neighborhood trends, economic shifts, and even seasonal changes can influence your specific situation. So there you have it. The MAI isn't just a number. It's a compass guiding your real estate journey. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned investor, or looking to sell, understanding the MAI equips you with the insight to make strategic decisions. Ready to dive deeper into your local market or have questions about how the MAI affects your real estate goals? Drop us a comment below and let's start the conversation. And remember, in the ever-evolving world of real estate, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. Thanks for watching. For more insights and tips on navigating the real estate market, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.